What we've got here is a scaled up version of excavator, or of operation as we all played as a kid. We're just scaled it up and they're playing it with an excavator instead of a pair of tweezers. We're at Dirt Perfect's lake or river cabins. It's really a pretty good time out here playing this. I'll shut up and let you guys kind of watch the competitors. I didn't get everybody, but I got most of us. I want to give a big thank you to Junior of S.O.T. Metalworks for filming and narrating my run. I'll get off of here and let you guys watch the competition.
Going for the 5 second. Oh, we got lucky there. That was a clean one. Let her fall over. He's got to leave the logos black. That's the most. Two chirps! Who's the judge? Don't get mad at me!
What are you talking about? I've never heard of a chirp. Hey, all you gotta do is tell him what your favorite track hoe is. I'll rank this track hoe afterwards. That's 4 chirps. I never should have said Cabelco.
4 chirps! 4 chirps!
4! Yeah, you got 4 total. 4 total chirps. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Hey, are you an operator or a lawyer up there?
I'm an operator with no practice.
Oh, this is the one that got you last time.
Yeah. Can't drill there.
Voucher!
Hey, Matt, a lot better than the first time, and you got it out. Yeah. I didn't give up on it.
Last one for Mr. Matt.
And you trust him pulling that out?
I don't know. That's the one. Yeah, he's going to quit this one all up. 6 chirps, 7 chirps. We still got to get him down.
Hey, you went a lot easier on that. Anyway. Now you got to set it in the box, right?
Yep, set her in the box. There you go, Matt. We'll tally all scores at the end. Captain Kleeman, next one up on the block. We got cameras for days over here. He's gonna go for the rotor first too.
Hey, Matt.
One chirp.
1 chirp.
That rotor's like twice as heavy as the rest of it.
Yeah.
It's quite a bit heavy.
He got scared. I guess his belly started getting bad, and he had to run to the bathroom and drop rounds off the super low. So
Going for Dirt Perfect next. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on, baby, twist back.
That's
2 chirps. Oh, he's getting it. He's getting it. He's got it. 3 chirps. That was a nice save, Captain.
Yeah, he bought it.
7 chirps and a
What
buzz.
about Wade?
Wait a minute, we'll talk about the price later.
Junior, that's not
Hey, I like that strategy, Kleeman.
Oh no!
7, 8.
Come on, you got this.
9 shirts. 10
There you
shirts.
go. You got it. One left. Nice, nice. Finish strong. So close. Got it. Complete. All right, Jared. Where's Jared at?
He's getting on them. Jared is on it. All right, it's S.O.T. doing a little voiceover for Jared here. Got to run his camera. We'll see if he can get it squared away here. All right, going for the rotor first. He likes the old Chevrolet parts, that's for sure. We did not put any Ford parts in this game because we didn't want anything broken. So just so everybody knows.
Good. That's clean.
Got a good time going so far. Had a little bobble on that one. Not too terrible. Not too terrible. You're trying to ease her in there, boys. It's a little difficult. It's a little harder than you think it is.
That was 3 shirts.
We get a view of Jared with a little pressure on him. Put a little camera in his face. He'll be all right with that. Working on them signs pretty hard. Woo! Smoked that one. And he's leaving himself room over there. You can see that they got to put him on that board. Leaving himself plenty of room over there to get those parts laid back down and get out of there real quick. Doing an awful good job. Look at him jerk that one straight up out of there like a champ. Woo! Come right off of it too. This is gonna be a very quick time. Very quick time. Look at that, look at that. Now if we can get this one laid back down, taking his time, let her sit up there just a touch. This is the stall one's kind of tricky. Oh, he got her out. Get the bucket back down on the ground. Time. How'd you feel about that run there, Jared?
I think I did pretty good.
I think you did a mighty fine job.
That practice paid off, didn't it?
You got away with one, yes sir. That practice is helping out quite a bit.
2 weeks practice really helped. I can see that.
Anything to get that gold shovel back.
That's 2 shirts. 2 shirts. I could have sworn that was 4.
He paid 2 shirts. I think it should have been a beat. I told him I'd have him trained good enough to do this blindfolded.
Oh, 3 shirts. I thought that was a beat.
thought he'd be kind of gently working.
Oh, look at him. Nobody else tracks. Why are you tracking? Why are you tracking? Huh? Oh, look at that serious face. Oh, man.
Torture!
Oh, he got the chirp. Made him really
It's all these people watching.
I know it. They're all around.
Oh, that got lucky. Malfunction. Yeah. Can you swing it around the boom like you did the soccer ball? Yep. Shelter underneath the rain. Shelter underneath the rain. Rain underneath the shelter. Anyway, why is it raining under the shelter?
Wait, did you roof it with that really flat plywood? Is that what you did?
It's time to figure out who's more.
Oh yeah.
You ready for this? No. Alright, so our fine folks from Hyundai, they have scoured the stores. Our friends have paper, real.
What you're saying is you already know who won? Then why you just let it guilty conscience?
Practice pays off.
That was. Oh yeah? I bet it wasn't working when you practiced for 8 hours. 8 days? We have missed that perfect here.
Once the practice is happening, I'm not going to.
Use that machine. Alright,
So if we give him a 30-second
Detail.
I already canceled the date night.
No! This is supposed to be the reveal of the winner.
Hold on. This isn't democracy. Tables turned. All in favor of a 30-second penalty on Dirt Perfect? Aye. Wait a minute, not me.
You're late for that. Alright, so here we go. The time is the person in last place. Time 5:02. Captain Kleeman.
Oh!
Hey, no, Captain. Don't worry. Hey, don't worry. The fine folks are not going to look at you. Alright, so Captain Kleeman, 5:02. That's still not a bad time here, buddy.
No, that's not, you know, I had 2 videos made depending on where I placed, so now I know which one I get to post.
Machine opinions.
Respectable.
Oh, I like this is going. Alright, so the person in 5th place.
Time 4:49. Jason.
Jasonworksalot.
My test run was 12 something.
Hey, you might also get most of the
All right. Where with pride.
Alright, so in 4th place.
Time 4:13. Matt.
Oh! Does this mean the golden shovel's not going home with you?
I find it funny. I won a golden shovel in the first tournament, and the second tournament there's trophies and yetis and practice. 2 weeks of practice.
Yeah. And a whole nasty.
How about a game, not practice? 45 because it was penalty.
Hey, you're still leaving with something that's probably more useful than a golden shovel.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, we're getting
My
ready to
retirement
ready.
Bobcat hat.
3rd place.
3:27. I thought we said it was automatic DQ with
Hey,
yeah.
Alright, it's the moment of truth. Who's the down to? Me and Jerry.
All right. Second place with a time of 3:04.
Hold on. At this point, let's just reveal the winner.
Oh, no times?
Wait,
We
I
like the
gotta write
times.
his time down.
Well, we'll write it down, but if we say we got 2nd place, we're not going to know who won.
You factored in the cheater penalty, right? 30 seconds.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so what are we saying?
The winner is.
With a time of 2:45. They're perfect.
One more time.
New winner.
Okay, now hold on.
Damn, Michael, if I would have tore the game up, I'd have beat you.
But wait, there's one. So what's Jerry's time?
3:04.
I'll take your 30-second penalty, buddy.
That's 30 seconds Hey, he was scared. He was scared earlier.
Right off the get-go, I would just like to say that Dirt Perfect bought himself a win because he
No.
bought the challenge game. I'm just saying.
All right, this is what Dirt Perfect's going to do. I'm going to take the golden shovel. I'm going to rub it in Matt's face.
Dylan.
I'm going to take the trophy. I'm going to put it up in the lottery. I'm going to get the two of the stands and see the surgeons traveling in the park.
Good job, Jerry. Good job. Good job.
Thanks to you guys. Thanks to everybody. Hope you all have fun.
I want to give a big shout out to Dirt Perfect. Thank you for having us out. It was a great time. Everybody else involved, like I said, we had a great time out there.